I absolutely love this color. This is the sky blue. This sky blue was definitely calling my name.
Let's do this!
SpecTechular gadgets.
I want to maintain and keep this thing free of scratches and everything else. I just want to keep it so fresh and so clean. So what I decided to do was get some fish skins for my MacBook Air. This way it can be free of scratches and anything, and it can maintain its loveliness. So I purchased these skins off the website called Fishskyn. And I wanted to do like a different kind of skin. I've tried a few different companies as far as skins and stuff. So this will be my first time using fish skins. And I'm going to transform this sky blue MacBook Air to something else that looks like my own. I'll check y'all later.
I wanted to do a quick correction before we go any further. It is actually called Fishskyn, not Fishskins. And as much as I love my sky blue M5 MacBook Air, I have chosen to put the university skin option on. So that's the top. This one is the inside, and then this is the bottom. You can purchase individual coverage, or you can purchase top, bottom, or top, inside, and bottom coverage. Top is 31, top and bottom is 48, top, bottom, and inside is 58. First thing, go ahead and wipe that MacBook down. Get all the dust, oil, and everything off with a nice soft microfiber cloth. Or if you really need to get some dirt off, you can use a little bit of water to go ahead and get any hard to remove stuff off. Mine's pretty new, so I'm just simply going to wipe it down with a microfiber cloth. I'm starting with the top coverage piece first. And what you're going to want to do is gently just peel from one corner to remove that excess outline piece. And now this gives us access to install the main part that we need to. Once removed, you should have a borderless sheet. I'm going to leave this little learning opportunity in the video, but I'm going to have to wipe down the MacBook again because I did that over my MacBook. And as you see, I was just about to do step 2 over the MacBook again, but I remembered this time, so I'm going to scooch the MacBook over so I can show you what we want to do next. So as you see, I've turned and flipped the sheet over so I can see the back. I'm going to peel a corner, and I'm going to do it gently because I don't want to stretch the skin out of shape. But you're going to start tearing some of the backing away from the skin. So we're doing this because I don't want the entire skin exposed, just in case I need to do some readjustments. So I'm leaving my trials and errors in the video so you can see the best way to do this. So the next part should have been me taking it from that bottom left or bottom right corner instead of pulling it up and tearing it from here. I mean, either or, you could do it either way, but the better way, more easy way is to take it from the bottom left or right corner and peel it up. Because what I'm going to do now is I'm going to tear the backing off the rest, but flip it over. And I'm going to just now kind of like piece by piece, like level by level, kind of scooch the backing down to go ahead and smooth out the skin on the top part. Next, I'm going to move to the inside sheet. This is the one that actually has, you'll see the trackpad here. So we're going to do the same process. We're going to remove the border. We're going to flip the sheet over. We're going to tear some of the backing off, and then we're going to install. This is a very important tip. They recommend when you're installing these skins, especially for this inside part, you're going to want to leave a credit card size thickness from the edge. This little amount of space will keep the skin from peeling up when you open the MacBook lid. Notice for this inside skin, I am peeling it from the bottom corner opposed to how I peeled the top skin. With the inside skin, you will want to be more delicate due to the trackpad and keyboard cutouts, which have thinner areas that can be pulled out of shape. Next, I'll peel away the keyboard cutout of the skin, and I'm going to do this slowly to make sure that I'm not pulling anything. And as you see, the cutout for the keys are perfect. Now, this next step is totally optional and up to you. If you want to leave the skin on the trackpad, you totally can, and it will not interfere with the trackpad function. I decided to take mine off just because, and I found it was kind of difficult. It wasn't as easy as the keyboard removal, but all in all, I still was able to get like a little fingernail in there, and I can remove the trackpad skin. Well, that about wraps it up for this video. I want to thank everyone for taking the time to chill with me as we go through this journey. And until next time, everyone, I want you all to have a spectacular day. Later.